Hey everyone, so I just want to apologize in advance. This video is not going to be the most edited like my other ones, but I want to share this information with you because I think this is very helpful, especially when it comes to real estate and investing. And if you want to gain wealth and if you want to become wealthy and make money, get rich in real estate, I want to share this with you. So I was having a conversation with one of my business partners and give you a little context about who he is, if I could speak. Basically, he's late 30s, a little older than me. I'm 34, so he's about to hit 40s. And by the time he hits 40, he's gonna have about 1,000 units. And I asked him, hey, what's kind of your strategy? Because I look up to him like a mentor. He is my business partner, and I want to be there too, just like probably a lot of some of you do as well, right? To have some pretty good passive income, build up that real estate portfolio. And I just asked him, hey, what was your strategy? Kind of, walk me through it, because I want to replicate success and I want to replicate what you've been doing. So what he told me, and his biggest piece of advice was, and his story was essentially, he started small, single families, condos, bought a bunch of those, rented those out. He did a few flips here and there, but every time he did that, he would trade up, right? Either with a 1031, which by the way, I made a video of that. Check it out on my channel, how those work. Or he just paid the taxes and bought something new and bigger, like a 4-unit, 5-unit, 10-unit, duplex, you name it. But his biggest piece of advice to me was this, and I want to repeat this, was every single time that you sell and you get a large sum of money, you want to always take all that money and put that into the next deal. Put that into something that's going to cash flow and could appreciate more. Because the second you sell something and get a good chunk of money and you go spend it on dumb things that are depreciating assets and value, such as cars, things like that. I was going to say watches, but some cars are collectibles, some watches hold value. It just depends if you know that industry. But the moral of the story is this. We're not going to get into details or semantics. Whenever you sell a piece of real estate, don't blow the money. Don't be dumb. It's awesome to have a check for $100,000, $200,000. Wow, I got money, I'm rich. No, always put that into something else. If you can't 1031 that and identify the next property, pay the taxes, save it up, do the next deal. Side note, before I end this video, is also he did own a business and he was making pretty good cash flow. I'm not gonna say how much, I'm not gonna go into details, but he also owned a business and he was making good cash flow. So if you wanna jumpstart your wealth and your portfolio, the first thing you should probably figure out is how to increase your cash flow and your money coming in, and try to save as much as you can. Down payment, buy something. Down payment, buy something. Down payment, buy something. Keep renting those. Market goes up, sell that. Once you sell that, flip it into something else. So simplest strategy ever, but you got to be committed and you have to do it. And again, this is coming from somebody who has done it, who is a multimillionaire, who has a massive portfolio, somebody that I look up to. I hope this helps. Comment below what your strategy is.